Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is a delicious activity to celebrate Easter. All you need is some butter or margarine, marshmallows, puffed rice, also known as Rice Krispies, vanilla, cookie decorating sprinkles, a rectangular pan, and egg or rabbit-shaped cookie cutters. Take the rectangular pan, place aluminum foil in the bottom of the pan and grease with a brush. Start by melting the butter in a large saucepan. Next, pour in 4 cups of marshmallows and heat over medium heat so the marshmallows melt, but don't burn. Add the vanilla. Mix regularly. When it is melted, add the puffed rice and mix. Pour the mixture into the rectangular pan you prepared earlier and flatten it well. Turn the pan upside down on a clean surface and remove the foil. It is better to work while the puffed rice is still warm because the decorations will stick better. Take the rabbit-shaped or egg-shaped cookie cutter and cut cookies out of the puffed rice. Decorate the puffed rice, eggs and bunnies with sprinkles. You can use pale colors to represent the arrival of spring. There are also cookie icing tubes that offer different ways to decorate the bunnies and the eggs. It's a great activity where each child can let their creativity run wild and decorate their puffed rice cookie in their own way. To print the recipe and illustrated instructions for this project, click on the link below the video and enjoy!